I, Rachit Shah, along with my friends Shashank, Pramesh and Rishit of class 12 of Dalin Sunbeam School are here to present a model on the topic of radar system. This project would not have been completed without the guidance of our physics teacher, Mr. Ramanujan sir. Now I would like to introduce Pramesh to further enlighten us about the principle of this model.
So basically what we have here is a radar system model. Radar stands for radio detection and ranging. Now it works on the principle of radio waves. It transmits radio waves, and the radio waves, when thus collides with an object, it bounces back. Now if we come closer to the circuit, we can see the central unit is the circuit control unit. It is the main part of the circuit because it controls the servo motor which rotates the sensor. The sensor detects the objects and the distance of the object. The sensor thus passes the information to the circuit control unit. The circuit control unit processes the information and passes it to the LCD, which thus displays it term. Now I will like to welcome Shashank for further explaining the working of this model.
The working of model is such that it involves a servo motor which rotates from 0 to 180 degrees at differences of 10 degrees. As we started now, the sensor emits radio waves which bounce back from a surface and detect it at different angles. This information was processed by the central control unit and was displayed on the LCD screen. Now I would like to invite my friend Rishit.
One more thing, Shashank, what is the accuracy of this model?
Yeah, the accuracy of this model is about 96.4% taken over 20 observations.
And is there any physical formula which
Definitely there is a formula. The formula is speed into time by 2 for whatever the distance has to be calculated. Now I would like to invite my friend Rishit to explain further about its future potential and uses.
Now let's talk about its current applications, which include military, navigation and maritime, remote sensing and law enforcement. Talking about its future potential, it has various uses in autonomous vehicles by self-driven technique for detecting pedestrians and cars nearby. It has uses in medical imaging by adaptive radar principles for non-invasive diagnostic. Now Pramesh will tell us more about its uses in modern physics.
Now if we come to the part of modern physics, we have space exploration at its first. Now if we talk about space exploration, we could use it to measure the distances and speeds of the heavenly bodies and can calculate its future trajectory. Now the future trajectory would be helpful in calculating the risk of the heavenly body of hitting the earth. Now if we come to the quantum part, in quantum part we can use this radar system to detect even slightest bit of change in the particle, which will be very helpful in analysis of quantum mechanics. Now Rashid will conclude you the model.
That's all for the radar system today. Thank you all for lending our ears to us and have a wonderful day ahead.